Guys, today we make tacos. Super easy, but the way I make is this. We have to roast first the pork. I make tacos with pork. You can make with beef. This is my way. I just put inside because it's good. Marinate this at least 1 hour before, stuff like that. Okay. Later we can adjust always pepper. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we make great food. Garlic, I put 4, but if you don't like. And guys, I'm gonna use the orange juice and orange zest. Is very important, okay? This is from 3 oranges, okay? And some garlic powder is 1 spoon, 1/2 spoon of red paprika, 1 cinnamon stick, you can leave there, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, orange zest, put around, and this is gonna go in the oven, guys, when it's marinade, gonna be around 3.5-4 hours and 150 degrees, okay? And basically gonna be pulled pork, and we're gonna pull it and we're gonna do the tacos in the Mexican way. And this recipe show me my friend Berenice and Paolo. She is from Mexico and absolutely delicious, okay? Orange juice inside of white wine vinegar, okay? It's gonna be with lid on this, okay? I put 4 cloves, chiodi di garofano. Put in. Now, lid on. We leave this around couple hours. I'm gonna leave it up, but at least half an hour. Okay, guys, after a couple hours, al bacio. This is ready to go in the oven, 150, around 3.5-4 hours. It's not first time I make this, more or less is that. Depend, I want gonna be very pull the pork, okay? And see you when it's ready. Okay, guys, 3.5 hours, 150. We're gonna have this. You see? Good. Stuff like that, very super soft, stuff like that. You're gonna get ready with some tortilla. I bought in the supermarket, but if you able to make it, I know for make it, but I didn't have this time. Red onion, limes, chili if you like. This is my chili. I make this paste. If you want, there is video on my channel. I cut very finely. This is cayenne pepper and fresh coriander. Okay. Now, guys, we leave to rest a little bit meat. Is more soft. 20 minutes, and we start prepare our tacos. Okay. Start make pull some pork. Just like this, guys. Take 2 forks and just break it. Ginger we take out. Do all your pork like that, okay? And I leave to rest. My pork is already rest. My son Enrico already had one. Anyway, now what we're gonna do? Very hot pan. Take the tortilla. We leave in. When it's couple minutes is ready. When you see the bubbles on, it's time to turn. Don't do too long, because if you do too long, they getting very hard. Okay, it's very easy to make it. This is important. The taste is amazing from here, guys. It's absolutely delicious. You turn it. Is it a bubble? There you do. When it's the other side is the same, I show you how we're gonna make the tacos. A little bit more, it's done. It's done, guys, okay? Put in the plate, Another one. Do how many tortilla you like for your tacos, and I'll show you when we gonna build one. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 of them. Okay guys, I did my tortilla, and now we make a nice taco. I do this way. Tortilla, some meat. Here. Look at that, beautiful. The spicy, you can use any spicy you like, but spicy is working very good. Coriander, lime juice, okay? And this is ready to eat, okay? Look at that, fantastic, okay? My tortilla is this. If you like, always guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!